I'm Jason.
And I'm Caesar.
And we're excited to be here today to talk to you about thread identification process.
Today we're going to show you how to identify a thread interference assembly. First, identify how it seals. This is a thread interference seal because the coupling meshes together to create the seal. Next, perform a visual identification. For most common thread interference seals, you will only need to factor in whether the termination is male or female, making the visual identification easier than other seal types. On this end, since the seal is on the outside, it is a male. This seal's on the inside because it is a female. Now we will measure the threads per inch and the thread diameter. So what you'll do next is you'll use your thread gauge to identify your threads per inch, which is 14. Next, you'll measure the outside of your threads, which is 27/32. After using your thread gauge and your set of calipers, you will see that this measures at 14 threads per inch. The outside measures at 27/32, which tells you that this is a 1/2 inch male pipe fitting.
So between the catalog, the plug and cap kit, or the thread ID kit, you can become an expert in thread identification. For more information or additional training, contact your Gates Hydraulics sales rep today.
Hello friends, my name is Ahuja. My company, Hydraulics and Pneumatics, part of Ahuja Group, is the authorized dealer for Gates hydraulic hoses. We have a state-of-the-art plant for manufacturing fittings and crimping hoses with Uniflex Germany machines, and every hose is tested before it is dispatched. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.